Sorry guys, this is Jaman from Future Division. Today I will be showing you how to use log4j. What is the log4j? Let's show you guys. So now over here you guys see here when you run the test, you see here there's some message which is the correct button and there is no message here. Example, if I run the test from cut paste test for this one, run. So test is running and test is pass. So here one test run failure. They don't show any message what exactly pass, which step is going through, and what actually if failure, while actually failing. We don't know anything. So we need to know. We need to logging our log. So what we can do these things. Now first we need for that Maven dependency. Using mapping, so let's go find out log4j dependency. So now if I go here, or I can say maven repository, central maven repository. Over here, go here, write log4j. Should be enough. Okay, there's the Apache log4j, Apache log4j core API. So let's see this one. If I go here, I don't want core. So Apache log4j. So take this one and this one code. Let's go, no problem. So we have log4j. I'm gonna take the latest version, copy this one, and go to your pom.xml file and add dependencies as a log4j. Okay, so let's find it gone. It's downloading the jar file. So you see over here. So now, okay, we have log4j. Now we have to create a log4j properties for that. Okay, so how we can do that? So let's create some properties and then we can go through it. Okay guys, so now okay, for right click in the project, new file, and write down log4j dot properties. So we have log4j properties. So we create log4j properties. So now I don't want to waste your time, guys. You can find out online lots of log4j properties, and I have one. I'm gonna copy paste because for time consuming, for time saving purpose, it will be easy for me. So also this properties file you can find out in YouTube comment section in my video, so you can just copy paste. Okay, create a properties file is empty right now. I'm gonna go copy my properties file, which is, and make sure there is no space. So when you copy until, okay, this don't have any space. If you have a space, there will be problem. Okay, so now I have these properties. Cool, I have properties file. So second, what we need to initiate this properties file to in our all the class. How we can do that? So we're gonna go first in script base. Very easy, just follow that script base. Go to the script base. We have here init method. Okay, we have here init method. So cool, we have here init method. We can use inside the init method if we want. Okay, so first what we have to do, we have to use to call it public, then static is a final. Am I right? So we don't want to change over and over, so we're calling the final. Now we calling the our whatever dependency class from that, so we're gonna add logger. Okay, so we're gonna say logger, then I can say log, okay, equal logger. Okay, so he asking for here import let's import it java utils logging apache log4j. So guys, make sure org apache log4j. So I'm going to take the logger. Okay, so then I say dot get logger. Okay, get loader. So this is your class name, so put inside the class exactly what I am doing. Please do that. Okay, so if you have confusion, feel free to ask the question in the comment section so you can find out. Then I can say dot get name. So it's done. So we call the logger logger inside our escape base. So we create a properties file. So we have to give the path of the where is the properties file. Otherwise, our framework would not recognize where is the what we want with this properties file. So now let's do it. So we're gonna create some inside that. First, beginning, we're gonna say string log log4j string log4j. Give the path name. This is the name I'm giving you. Okay guys, config whatever you want to give name. So now I say string log4j config name. What is that? So what is the name? Our name is here log4j. Okay, so right click and you can say refactor, rename, and copy this. If you are lazy like me, you can do that and close it. So this here is our log4j because it is property it is a framework level, so that's why you don't have to give any path, just put the log4j dot properties file. If you put inside the folder, so you have to do the complete path. So now, so what we have to do, we have to the create our properties converter. Okay, properties properties configurator, then I'm gonna give the path inside that dot config excuse me, configure. Okay, then I'm giving the path. So what is the path? There you go. Yeah, cool. So now we give our properties file path already provided. So what is the next job? Next job, where we want to all the information pass. Okay, first what we're going to do, we're going to do the example catalog paste test. Am I right? Or contact cart paste test. Let's go one. So now if you go cart paste test, you have to do same thing whatever you did in escape base. So don't just copy paste guys and go to the cart paste Java over here and provide here same thing, but don't provide escape base here, just provide the cart paste. Which class we using? We're using the cart paste. Done. Same thing we did here. Okay, we don't have to do over and over. So every class you want to use this thing, so you need this. Okay, so now you will know how we're going to use. So we have this. So now you can ask me what you're going to do now. Okay, so now I want to see the home page button is click. So what information you give? So I'm going to say like that, log dot log info. That's info. Whatever you want to provide, I want to put info. Object message. Okay, info notify. Wait, I'm gonna use the info. Cool, I say info. Okay, so now what are you gonna use? I'm gonna use here home page button, home page button clicked. So also you want this information, am I right? So you want to say plus, you want to say just if you want more information. If you don't want, you can keep just string math. So I don't need more information. I say like that, dot to string. Okay, I said homepage button clicked. If this one clicked, it will print out that, and also with that also string. Whatever string come from this homepage button, it will be print out here. Cool. So same thing we can do here. So again, log, if you want every step you have to use like that. Okay, log dot info, oh, I'm sorry, log dot info, you can say add product add cart. Okay, add cart product. Product add cart, done. I want only message here. Okay, here product quantity. So copy paste, same thing, product quantity added. So now we already add some information over here. I don't want to all use right now, but you guys do it practice at home. You can use all the method. Right now we have the cut paste test. What we can do, cut paste test, and very good thing. So now if I say log dot info, now I want to say okay, make some customized things. I can say over here hash I say verify, make some beautiful things. Okay, verify, it has to be string. Okay guys, whatever you do, it has to be string. Verify quantity things, test start. Okay, I says start. Okay, so now after that I'm going to do some hash. This much making beautiful, nothing else. Okay, so now same thing over here, I'm going to do that, verify plus quantity test and okay, cool. Now so you want to make some more little bit classy, so it's just make classy. Okay, so for understanding, for nothing else guys. So I'm making some classy things over here and over here too. Okay, cool. So now you see here we already added our log4j property and info information. In every class, every home class, you have to add example this. So cart page, whatever I did like that. Okay, every class if you want log information. Okay, and what I have to do in skip base, I just add this and this two line, and I create a unders proper unders framework project. I create a log4j properties, and inside that I copy paste this properties file. You will be get inside the comment section or description section of YouTube video. Okay guys, if you miss something, anything, just let me know. And please when you copy, and make sure there is no space between there. Okay, I don't have any space like you. So now let me run the test. Go and run the test. So now if I run the test, hopefully it's gonna work. Let's see. Cross finger guys. Test is running. So package test does not exist. Which one? Okay, that is now have problem with test assert. Cool. What's going on? Assert. Okay, I think sort of problem. I have to go file, project structure, and I will go project structure, dependencies. So go file out test engine. My test engine not compiled, guys. If you have like this problem, so like compile like that. So now I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna say compile and apply. Okay, I think problem is gone. So now let's run the test again. So cut paste test. Run. Test is running so far. Yeah, pick up the test. There you go guys, my test is running. Let's finish the test case. Okay, cool. My one test is passed. Let's see that our log is logging or not. There you go. Cool guys, you see here now what going on. Skip base 21, the quantity test start. Cool. Home page button clicked. I said to string, so they provide the string X path. You see, even X path also printing out because I said to string. Okay, then I said product add track button done, product quantity added, and verified and test. Now what will be happen if something fail here? You're not gonna see this print out here, so you'll be understand actually which part, where is the test failing. So now you see now how what a beautiful things. So if you add in your all test cases, all home pages, this information, it will be looks great. So that's it for today guys. See you for next video, and feel free to comment section if you like my video, and also if you have if you request for any improvement, please let me know. Thanks a lot. See you soon.